Now, so what I want to do is get my truss actually into the project here. So I'm going into structural framing, truss members, king post, and open. Now it's probably good for you to uh, to know about this anyway. We're going to do a lot of work on families and how to manipulate families at a later date. Um, but that is the basis of our trust there, okay? And you can see that we've got various different properties. If I pop over to the family types here, you can see that we've got lots of dimensional properties. Now I'm going to show you those in the project itself rather than here, okay? Right, let's load this into the project. Now you can see it's on the end of my cursor and I'm in the ceiling level here. So if I just zoom in there a little bit, uh, so what we've got here is the insertion point in this truss is at that kind of intersection of the rafter and the joist, and a little bit beyond that is the overhang. So that immediately suggests to me that I should be placing this on the outside face of the wall. All right, and I'm going to place it um, reasonably close to the gable wall here. Right, I want to have a look at this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my roof and I'm just going to switch it off in the view here. So if I come down to here and I'll go hide element, now I get a good view of my truss there. I can also get a very good view of this now in this section. All right. Now again, I just need to copy out my thing here. Okay, so let's pick this truss here. You can see it's way too big, but we have a whole load of really good dimensional properties that come in with this, including the span here. So if I remember correctly, our span was 4350, and I just go apply. Now that's immediately reduced. So the span goes from the external face to the external face. The other thing I need to change straight away is the pitch here, which we know is 45. Now we're looking particularly good. What we need to change is the top boom. It's referring to the top boom here, but that's actually our rafter. So I'm going to make that 50, and I'm going to make this one, the depth of this one, 175. Now, if I zoom in here, we're looking pretty good now at this point here. Okay, I need to adjust the overhang there, but you can see that the line of the truss is matching the line of the roof. So it's sitting in that zone, in that rafter zone that we created um, uh, when we selected that particular roof. All right. Now I need to go back in here because there's one other change I need to do. It's got an overhang of 350. I'm going to make the overhang 300. And that should take that back up there. All right, now the little exercise that we did to get the fascia there, I can't do that with the truss. I'd actually have to go in and manipulate I'd have to go in and manipulate the family in order to do that. So I might do that in the next video. I'm not really hugely concerned if that doesn't work out for you in this case, to be honest with you. So I'm just going to leave it at that for the moment. Now, in your TDS project, you might have a collar in across here rather than this arrangement, and that's fine. And again, that is all a manipulation of the truss family. Um, but to me, that's a little bit too advanced for you at this point. So we're going to go back on that probably in next semester, and we'll take a closer look at that. All right, so I've got my rafter in place. I'm going to go back to my ceiling here and it's selected. So I'm just going to use my arrow keys here and I just want to I'm going to make that distance around 50 mil, 75 mil, something like that. And then I'm going to copy multiple and I'll pick that and I'm going to drag this across and we said we were going to do these around 450. That. 450. So once I've got a few in, now I can pick that one, I can pick this one, I can pick this one. And again, I'll just do my copy across like so. All right. So we pick this up in the next video.